All right, let's switch gears, get back to the weather. Dave, I went on a walk a little earlier. It was nice out with Ben. How things change.
Things are changing. Yeah, it's kind of a bad hair day. I did my best to get it back into shape here. This is our outdoor weather lab looking at the clouds out there, and the windsock here is wrapping around the pole here. Usually that like spreads out when the wind wraps it up, but it's so windy out there, it's flapping it back on itself there. Cloudy skies across the state right now with high clouds shielding out the sunshine, but despite that, with the downsloping wind, we're at 64 degrees in the city right now, so it's actually not very cold at all, even though it's windy out there. And you can see everything in the green is 50s and 60-degree temperatures here, and the winds are coming off the mountains, boosting that temperature up a little bit. So it's actually a very nice day for us, despite the wind. A little colder in the mountains. They're in the 30s, 20s, and teens up there. So you add in the wind chill factor is really kicking up. Like on Berthoud Pass, it's 61-mile-per-hour winds right now, 31 in Boulder, starting to pick up now from Broomfield into Denver, 36 to 27 respectively there, and we're going to see that trend throughout the afternoon. I think the real big winds will start to arrive in the city probably after about 3 or 4 o'clock. We could get up to 30 to 40-mile-per-hour gusts of wind around here, and it's going to huff and puff all night long into tomorrow morning. And in fact, take a look at the statewide view here. It's going to go through tomorrow. Everything in the purple is like 30 to 50-mile-per-hour gusts. And then it goes through Friday. That's Friday morning. And it is not until late afternoon or evening on Friday that the wind starts to die down. We've got two things coming together. We've got an approaching cold front and a jet stream mixing together. There's the clouds that are pushing across the state here. Here's the front back here, the low pressure area up in the Montana and Canada, and it's swinging back through Idaho and into Nevada. So this will be sliding through, squeezing the pressure gradient. Behind the front tomorrow, it'll be cooler and windy, so tomorrow will be a more uncomfortable day for us. And then add into that, the front is all the way out to the east, but behind it, a big driving jet stream will roll through Thursday into Friday, and that's going to keep the wind machine going all the way through the end of the week, unfortunately. As far as moisture goes, there will be a few inches of snow in the mountains tonight into tomorrow with this cold front coming through. Could be about 3 to 6 inches of snow in some isolated areas up there tonight. Temperature-wise, where we are right now, pretty much. We're not going to warm up a whole lot more. 50s and 60s here across the east with the cool stuff in the mountains. So we'll be in the low to mid 60s here, mostly cloudy and windy, probably 40 to 45-mile-per-hour gusts of wind in town, stronger on the west side up into the foothills. 40s for Thursday and Friday. That's the cool down behind the front. We'll stay in the 40s this weekend, and we might get another little shot of snow coming your way in the city and the mountains as well coming up on Saturday. Dom?
Dave, I'll give you some of my hair product. My hair ain't going anywhere.
Yours always looks good, man. I don't know what's wrong with mine.
All right, thanks, Dave. Don't forget you can get the news anytime, anywhere from CBS in Denver. Find it on our app. You can download it right now from Google Play.